can't do that, man. You can't do that. You can't do that, man.
Put the cat in mind.
No, man. Put that
my license plate,
No,
man.
put that back in my license plate. No, you can't do that, man. Put that back in my license plate number, man. Put that back in my license plate number, man.
Cool.
No!
Good morning. What's up? No, I YouTube this. Please, don't look at my hair. Just don't ask. Yeah, I'm just wake. I go wash my face and brush my ears. I'm back. Oh shit, let me get the. Yesterday, we stole license plates. We forgot to make the intro. Me and Punk, we were just having fun. Yeah, so we stole license plates. It was an idea from somebody on my Instagram. Was it my Instagram? Or yeah, it was my Instagram. And you know, it was a really funny idea. So I'm saying, oh, may I give it a try and take a look. Oh, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Drop a like. When the video done, comment and tell me if you like the video. And also comment video ideas if you have video ideas. Don't keep them to yourself. What's wrong with you? But drop a like, the video gonna start now. Drop a like. Drop a like. You like the video? You like the video? You like the video?
Yo, hear me, I said, man. Watch your ads.
The death? Bruh, look at this dude.
Yo, am I look?
Wait till you see the. No.
Oh, you're so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
Watch it, bitch. You stupid.
This is not okay. This needs to stop now.
Wait a minute.
You know, see that?
Never give one.
Look at this dude. You stupid.
No, you're so dumb.
He needs some milk.
Yeah, you want to see if I've been phoning a man like gun. I'm looking at the screen because I can't situate it with him phone. But that's trying to leave him.
Yo, I chill on the grind today, like we're out here stealing license plates and all these things and the rain just too. You know what I mean?
You go on. I have on the mic.
It look like it's a storm around here, bro. Got there, wind breeze and blow up on the earth's surface. But I'm educating you, because I don't know if this is cool by Tom, the prankster. Listen, when the rain falls, it gives off a precipitation wind called atmospheric madness. You get what I'm saying? Up to my boss, I'm the weatherman for today. You know, I'm just saying, the breeze is blowing so fluently around the circumference of the diameter that I can't even. Oh my god, that's my friend! Anyways, that's it.
What are you talking about?
When the rain drops on the ground, it causes something with a big fat boom, and it gives a radiating activation when it comes down to the dropping down of the wind. Right now, the earth is blowing around in 3 diameters per hour, and the second is straight ahead. It has a curve on it. Yeah, I'm educating them. The smart people understand what I'm saying. You see?
No.
Huh? Hey, 7G. What we do?
I'm making nothing for the guy.
The prank, man. Yo, like him there, so I tried it to one, so. Call him. Yeah. No, I did my own. I did mine. No, man, I did mine, Siki.
No, you can't do that, man. You can't do that. You can't do that, man.
Siki, I did mine,
No, man, put
Siki. My license plate,
No,
man.
put that back in my license plate. No, you can't do that, man. Put that back in my license plate number, man. Put that back in my license plate number,
Siki,
man.
that's cool.
No, put that back in my license plate number.
My license plate, Siki.
Put that back in my license plate number. No, you can't do that, man.
I'm mine, man.
You can't do that, man. No, man. You can't do that, man.
Siki, just.
No, man, you can't do that, man. You can't do that, man.
I take the next one. I'm my car, man. Yeah.
Where document there?
Eh?
Where document there, please?
Document.
No, man, show us that document there.
Yo, just. May I put back that one and I take the next one?
Next thing you know, I'll arrest you.
Oh, yeah, you're a police officer?
Yeah, I'll arrest me, not arrest you. But I see what I do. They have a school program I go on. See in front of video, next one a video from this. So.
Is that a video?
A video them I make.
This one light speed from me yard.
No, a video them I make, man. Observe, man. A video them I make. A video them I make.
Look at myself, officer.
Cool. Yeah, man.
Yo, that is hilarious, dog.
See everything.
Dada, give me them license plate, Dada. No license plate, no? No license plate, no? No, we can't. No, we can't. No, we can't do that, man. Look. No, I'm off.
Got him! Got him! No, you're so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
You like the video?
What the
Police want us to watch me, dog. We don't want to, dog. Dog, my man, no police in there right us to watch me, dog. From anyone said that, the man is to watch me, dog. It's to watch me. The man is to watch me. Now, man, please, you do.
I'm back. Make sure you don't ask nothing about me here. See me? Yeah. Big up Rapley for the fresh cut. Yeah. Link in the description. Anyways, oh shit, let me get the Today we're gonna steal license plates. Oh shit. We're gonna steal. Oh shit, no. So yesterday we stole license plate. You like the video?